What's going on?
We are already live just because people want to see us, Jacob. It's not always get down to business, okay? I know that's how you are, but
you just want to yell at me on air.
Post this in Discord. What's up, Johnny?
Took me all day to do 6 minutes and 10 seconds of video.
Yeah, you'll get in the flow here soon, though.
What's up, guys?
Johnny, I didn't even recognize you. I thought some random homeless guy we didn't know joined the call.
Just wandered in.
And then I remembered that Johnny B is actually a person.
A real person with real feelings.
That's right.
Yeah. And he came back from the mountains, so that's always good.
Barely survived.
Nathan's not permitted to be on this call unless we can see him because he's just here for eye candy.
Nathan, reveal yourself.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I can hear you, but I can't see you.
I know.
Hi.
That's a question I think you have to answer.
Turn camera
Cool.
on. I click yes.
You might have to go into your settings. There you are.
There he is. Cool. Welcome to the party.
I gotta listen to you.
Where's Jason?
Dude, I don't know. Between Clash Royale and riding his motorcycle and
I heard he's playing it while riding his motorcycle now.
yeah. Oh,
Jason.
so we're live. What's up, everyone who's watching? Welcome to the show. One day, I promise, I will finish setting up our our Wirecast, where basically we can have the Devslopes music and logos pop up, where it's like, "Welcome to Devslopes," with music and and then basically there'll be like little things that appear, be like Jacob, and he'll have like a star behind him, Johnny, kind of like Saturday Night Live kind of thing. And I know how to do all that too, by the way.
That'd be awesome.
I want Johnny's head spinning in a star.
Woo! Yeah. Okay. Let me open up the tuber here. Okay. Yo, what's up, Cody Lee? Okay, so it's our stand-up. We're gonna talk about what we did, what we did not do, and we got a guest on the show today, Nathan Brewer. And Jack, why don't you tell us what's going on from the Upside Down?
Well, today, can you hear me okay?
Yep.
Okay. Today I pushed some changes over for Jason that he did in the admin app to the live database to add to our app and the website. And then I worked on getting the website environment configurations done, and that's done.
Yes.
So now when we build it, it has development keys and URLs. And if you build and you specify production, then it has live keys and live URLs.
That's for the web and for API?
That's for the web right now. I'm working on the API.
Awesome.
I run into an issue there, but it shouldn't be a big deal.
Dude, awesome.
So hopefully by the end of the night, I'll have that done. Jacob verified it for me, so it's working. So once I get the API done, we'll just merge those and I can move on and we'll get Windows done.
Dude, that's great, Jack. I have a question, a coding question. So I noticed with ES6, you are referencing a file, but it's just going to the path of the folder. And it made me think that if the file's named the same as the folder, it grabs it automatically. Is that right?
No, if there's an index.js in there.
No, so let's say you have a config folder, and inside the config folder, you have config.js. Well, your code doesn't go config/config. It just says config, and it finds the file in it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know it'll do that if there's an index file in there, but I'm not sure about.
Yeah, if it's not the case, then you've got broken code, because there's a few places where that config file is like wonky, not referencing the right thing. So I was just wondering if there was magic happening.
No, that might be the case. I'd have to look it up.
Anyway,
I can't remember.
Cool. It's all good. Good stuff. Thanks for doing that. It's super important.
If you look at the API, like in the config folder, there is an index. And so when you
Yeah.
just specify config, it pulls that index file, and then the index file references all of the environments that are set up in the env folder.
Okay.
So I'm not sure exactly where you're talking about, but I'd have to look at it.
I will show you, and you will enlighten me with your magical ES.
Right.
Cool. So yeah, someone says they can't wait to use Windows. So I'm excited for it too. I think, you know, what's funny is our app is going to have a high amount of Windows users, and it's not going to be because of the Windows App Store. It's going to be because of the utility of it. So it's super, super important. We're going to have way more Windows users than Android users for sure. At least more time.
I've actually got another Surface coming, so it should be here in a couple of days.
So what you're saying is 2 Windows machines is required to get what you would normally get out of a MacBook.
Probably. That would be a fair statement.
All right. Thanks, Jack. Jake Dog.
Is that me?
Oh, sorry. Jacob. Sir Jacob.
Oh, yes, sir.
Captain.
Kind of a good day. I got the Realm course started. It was just kind of a rough start. I got the introduction all done and stepping up the quality quite a bit. So the editing, and I re-recorded it twice. So I think it's good though. And I think it'll be a good beginning to the rest of the course. So it's good. And then I started talking with Nate. We're discussing some of the Devslopes TV stuff, helping him out. And then, yeah, that's about it.
Yeah. So for those of you who are watching, we have this really cool new feature. It's like something I really want to do, and I've been wanting to do it, and we're actually going to do it. We're doing it right now, but it's really cool. So basically imagine a 24/7 live, video radio station on Devslopes. So when you're bored of coding, or you're like, your mind's going to explode, all you have to do is tune on to Devslopes TV. Okay, you can use it on your iPhone app or Mac app. The version 1 will be iPhone. And imagine being on your car drive from work or whatever. You can listen to Devslopes podcasts, student interviews, and in the future, you'll be able to download those offline. And basically a 24/7 live stream slope sessions, like new things that we teach on the side here for free, like fun things we want to do, like make Alexa turn on the lights and things like that. And see how smart she is? She did it. Okay. Anyway, so 24/7 Devslopes live radio station, which is cool because it also is going to encourage us to stream more. You'll see more of Jacob and Johnny and the team and me just streaming stuff, whatever we're learning or working on. So really cool stuff, and we're working on it right now. So anyway, Nate, tell us what you've been doing.
Alrighty. So yeah, I've been putting together the video, or the Devslopes TV section. We decided to make the video player a little bit more robust. So that's kind of what I'm going to be doing tonight. Just giving more controls, the scrub bar and everything. And then, Mark, Jacob and I were going to ask, he mentioned making a bunch of calls to Vimeo.
We can talk about the boring stuff off air right after this, so that's cool.
Okay. We'll do that. But yeah, I'm just going to make the video player a little bit more robust tonight, and that's what I've been doing.
Nate, show us your guns.
They're getting small. He must be coding too much.
Yeah, I know. I haven't worked out for a while, for about a week.
Have you got a T-shirt that says "Welcome to the Gun Show"?
That'll be my intro on that little.
So Nate, what's your PR on words per minute? I mean, with those kind of biceps, you got to be able to code 1,000 words a minute.
Oh yeah, yeah. They
if
never
he
even
doesn't
get
break
tired.
the keyboard.
See how fast those people are.
Awesome. Good work. Good work. Good work. Johnny B.
Thanks.
Hey, so I am back after spending a week in the mountains of Yosemite. It was awesome. Yeah.
Pilgrimage.
Let's see. So spent like half the day just catching up on all of the Udemy questions. Had a whole bunch of those. Also catching up on Discord and helping out a whole bunch of people that had reached out to me while I was gone. And then watched a little bit of some of the WWDC videos, learning about the changes in Xcode 9. Got some really sweet stuff.
Like what?
The refactoring stuff is cool. Let me see here.
I like the beginning and end brackets thing where it like highlights
that's really
the whole
nice
section with a blue line.
My favorite thing so far is being able to do Command plus and Command minus to increase and decrease my font size.
Yeah, that's
finally built in.
Yeah, that's built in. If you add your protocol and then you get that error, if you click on it and say fix it, it will automatically put in the required methods for you.
Wow.
Oh, that's cool.
Wireless development, we know. GitHub and Xcode 9 now work together. So you can create repos right inside of Xcode. Those were the ones I took notes on. But yeah, it's cool stuff.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be like way more smooth, just like the scrolling, faster compiling.
Dude, it's the best. It's the best release of Xcode, and it's in beta. And we all know how beta was last time. This is the absolute best Xcode I have ever used in my entire life.
I've had issues with it.
Oh, really?
It was crashing left and right on me today.
Oh, another
I
big
think
thing.
it's the simulator, not Xcode, though.
Yeah, you can choose which Swift language to use, 3.2 or 4.0.
Yeah, that's pretty sweet.
Is that going to be in the final release though, or is that just for the beta?
I don't know actually.
They did that for the beta in the last version too.
Oh, did they?
I remember. Yeah.
There was like an actual selection in the build settings.
Well, when you first set up a project, it asks you which version you wanted. But
Oh
then
yeah, it would ask to converter to stay.
It sounded pretty official. Like this was a big deal. Like they were gonna definitely support it.
Yeah,
Okay.
I believe that's right.
I was curious about that because the last one, once it went to production, they took that out.
Yeah.
But anyways, that's me.
Dude, good. Did you go to all
and now I'm working on the new the featured course feature in MacApp.
Oh yeah, dude, I'm so stoked for that. Super stoked for that. Help everyone find our new courses more easily. So.
Yep, it'll be sweet.
Thank you. Evan said, I did a bunch of marketing stuff today. Email blast sent, designs, starting reviewing iOS course, talked to Johnny, Caleb, and Jacob. Well, I can talk to people too. That's not a big deal. Kickstarter UI. Yeah. Oh,
went to his beach house.
Went to his second beach house after he went to Hawaii. Like he owns like a suburb in Chicago or something apparently too. I don't know.
His helicopter.
Yeah, his helicopter. Can't even keep up with this guy.
I heard he's got a part ownership in the Warriors too.
I will say, for those of you who are watching who backed us on Kickstarter, we have finally started the process of getting that special Kickstarter backer edition. We didn't forget about you, and it's coming to life. So you'll have all the cool Easter eggs and secret backer stuff that nobody else gets, no matter how hard they beg and how much they want it. They will never have it, and only you will have it. And we are working on that. So really cool. That's coming out. And then I could probably report for Jason. I did a bunch of web stuff. I did tons of social media, answered a tons of emails. And just times that by 10, guys, and then that's his story. Okay. Just kidding, Jason. So he did all that stuff though. UI designs and things like that for the website. UI tweaks. iOS 11, that's what I've been working on. iOS 11 is coming out July 24th. Get it in the app. We will let you know before it's coming out. I just finished some amazing lessons on auto layout and constraints, and these are the best lessons that Devslopes has ever produced, ever. Like in the most depth and detail, professional videos. So get ready for an amazing experience. And we are teaching AR kit, and we are teaching vision, and we are teaching machine learning in this course. And it's going to be pretty fantastic. So stay tuned for that. iOS 10, it's not an upgrade thing, or there's no like free update. This is like a whole new course. So all new stuff, 30 hours of brand new apps and features. So even if you've taken a previous course, you'll probably want to take this to do cool new things, always keeping it fresh and real. And of course, you will still have access to the old courses in the app, though you may not be able to buy iOS 10 or course once this one comes out. It'll be archived, but you'll still have access to it, probably. So that's the scoop. What was that about the backers? Somebody says, Ben. Ben, you're getting your custom backer-only edition of the Devslopes app with its own custom UI and secrets and fun stuff that only you get as backers of our platform, and only you will have access to this cool stuff, so you can brag about it. And we're working on that, so we finally got to it. When do we get the locked up Kickstarter again? That's a good question, guys. Really good question. I'm working on it. We got some things cooking here, but it just got put back on the sideline for now. It was a big push, so it's undetermined at this point, but it's still in my mind continually. What else? I want your email, Mr. Josh. All right. People just chatting. Jake, what's up, Jake? Cool. Nothing else, guys. Does anybody want to say anything?
No. But let's stay on after air.
Oh, dang it. Okay. Freaking programmers, man. All right. Well, thanks for coming, everyone.
See ya.
Laters.
Later.